Hey y'all, it's Mandy with Aunt Mandy's Creations, and today I have a Christmas recipe journal that we are going to do a flip through of. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, stick around and you'll see what it's all about. Okay, this is the front cover. This is Christmas recipe journal. It's the vintage style. This is the back. This does have my new spine that I have started making. So instead of being a bulky flat spine that you can't do much with, it's actually can curve so you can fit it in more spaces. So inside this book, it says "'Twas the night before," has a picture of Santa. This is on acetate. Now I'm not going to take everything out of each pocket, but there are tags. There are every other page or so is a recipe sheet to put your Christmas recipes, holiday recipes. We've got hidden paper clips in here. There are, in each pocket, there are several different tags and cards, and then also um, my recipe cards that I made for this album. This is one of my own kits, so if you are interested in the kit itself and would like to make your own journal, you can do that in my Etsy shop. You'll find it in my Etsy shop. These are vintage papers, so music sheets, so some of them are written on. It's an adorable kid if you're in love with Christmas. I personally love Christmas, so, and I love vintage. Again, cards, tags, recipe cards, more paper clips, hidden paper clips, look like presents. Try to leave some space here in case you need to write notes or whatnot. This here is a double pocket. There are tags and recipe cards up there, and then a small slit down here for another tag. Another paper clip. Try to leave this a little less bulky so you didn't have this big bulky recipe book that you were trying to get in and out of your cupboard. There's acetate, vellum, all types of different things in this book. So I did do different types of papers, and of course the vintage Christmas music on all of these. Lots of room for recipes in here. Like I said, at least every other page is a recipe page or a place where you can write a recipe on the lined paper. You can even make it a recipe slash journal, make it a holiday cookbook. Got 2 pages with the hidden paper clip there. If I can get this put back on. There we go. This has got acetate for the window here. If you like shabby chic and you like vintage and you love Christmas and have tons of Christmas recipes or family recipes, this would be a good way to put them all together for the holidays. Some of these are, you take the tags out and they're hidden pockets. And while I'm finishing going through this, if you could hit that like button, make a comment if you can, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out in the rankings for YouTube and helps us to achieve the goals that we are looking to achieve with YouTube and our channel. I appreciate every one of you for helping that have done that thus far. And this brings us to the end of our journal. Again here, take the tags out and it looks like one picture. And that is the end of the journal. If you are interested in this journal, the link to the Etsy listing will be in the description. And again, if you can comment, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe. Again, it really does help out our channel. And until next time.